Here I have HUAWEI P Smart, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings icon right here. So here you need to scroll down and select system. Alright, now let's choose the reset option. From the following menu, choose network settings reset. And this will reset all network settings including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, choose network settings reset, and to confirm the whole operation, tap network settings reset again. That's it, network settings have been reset. You can go back and enjoy using the default network settings. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.